What if we brought dinosaurs back to life? Imagine a world where dinosaurs roam free again. The idea of bringing back these prehistoric creatures has long fascinated us, and with recent advancements in genetic engineering, it's no longer just a fantasy. Scientists have already successfully sequenced dinosaur DNA from fossils, and some have even gone as far as to suggest that we could bring back the woolly mammoth within the next decade. But what if we took it a step further? What if we brought back the mighty Tyrannosaurus rex, the gentle Brachiosaurus, or the fierce Velociraptor? The possibilities are endless, and the implications are mind-boggling. First and foremost, there's the question of ethics. Is it morally justifiable to bring back an entire species that has been extinct for millions of years? Do we have the right to play God and tamper with the natural order of things? Then there's the issue of safety. Dinosaurs were wild animals, and they would require a lot of space and resources to thrive. Imagine the chaos that would ensue if a T-Rex were to escape from a lab or a theme park. The consequences would be catastrophic. But on the other hand, bringing back dinosaurs could have numerous benefits. For one, it would be an incredible opportunity for scientific research. We could learn so much about these creatures and their habitats, and gain valuable insights into the natural world. It could also be a major boon for conservation efforts. By studying dinosaurs, we could gain a better understanding of how to protect endangered species and preserve ecosystems. And let's not forget the sheer wonder and excitement of it all. Imagine being able to see a living, breathing dinosaur up close, to marvel at its size and strength, and to learn about its behavior and habits. Of course, there are also the potential economic benefits. Theme parks and museums would be flooded with visitors, and the tourism industry would boom. But as we consider the possibility of bringing back dinosaurs, we must also think about the long-term consequences. Would we be creating a new species that would eventually become invasive and outcompete native species for resources? Would we be disrupting the delicate balance of ecosystems that have taken millions of years to evolve? And what about the welfare of the dinosaurs themselves? Would we be subjecting them to a life of captivity and exploitation? Or would we be giving them a chance to thrive in their natural habitats? These are just a few of the questions that we would need to answer before we even consider bringing back dinosaurs. It's a complex and controversial issue, and one that requires careful consideration and debate. So, what do you think? Should we bring back the dinosaurs, or should we leave them in the past? Share your thoughts, comment below.